guys, so I heard you want to be a social media boss. I'm going to give you the ins and outs of this digital social media industry. All the information that I know and what you really want to know. How exactly do I make over $9,000 a month on social media? Yeah, that's right. A small YouTuber like me. But a lot of people assume you have to have millions of subscribers on YouTube to create this type of money. But I'm here to tell you, hell no, that ain't true. This industry is not an overnight success or a quick money scheme. It takes dedication, passion on your part, and I can teach you how. I want to know, how bad do you want it? Do you really want this? Is this what you want? Because this is a never-ending job, and you literally wake up and go to sleep every single day, always working. Working for yourself means you have to wake up and create the money you want to earn. Live that lifestyle. You have to get up and work. I know punching a clock and doing a 9 to 5 is easy, but trying to make money appear out of nowhere takes time and dedication. Okay, maybe not out of nowhere, but this is the battle with being in the creative field. You need constant creative ideas, and to keep up with what is trending on social media, you have to be your own pusher. You have to keep yourself going. You have to be your own boss. My next question is, do you have the drive and the motivation to strive in this career? This is extremely important. Some people will not have the patience or the drive to succeed in this career. If you answered yes, you are ready to learn how I make $9,000 a month on YouTube.